So.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
We got the early heads by my bench, though. Does
Yeah.
that mean I'm working on early heads now?
I think so. Got to bust out those valves.
So we're going to use the late head on the other side?
No, I think we're going to fix the late heads individually instead of mixing and matching.
I think you go buy another front head because that one ain't worth fixing.
Yeah, true.
You have more money in that head, you can buy another set for.
True.
You're only going to work on 2 heads now instead of just 1.
Oh, they both got cracked guides.
They're both on crack?
They're both cracked. With the tighter valves. Now we got tighter valves. Isn't that nice?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
So, we're doing 2 of these now, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we need to lose these.
Is that an official removal tool?
We moved it.
Oh, I dropped them.
We can reuse these for later, right? Because you got 4 of them here.
Perfect.
You don't want those 2? Okay. Proves we have 1 exhaust gasket, not the other. We're going to throw away the other one then?
I think we might as well just chunk it. It looks good though.
Well, we're just going to use
that looks like a reusable gasket, yeah.
This looks like a usable gasket?
Yeah. Well, now you bent it. That was good.
It looked pretty thin on one side to me.
Oh, it's, you know, it's what it is.
It's all spooched up right here. It's missing part of it.
A little farmed.
But that's perfectly good gasket for your bike.
That's what I'm thinking.
I think a new customer might want a better gasket now.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so this one's missing exhaust stud.
Allegedly.
Alright, you didn't clean these yet.
I did.
No, the black part.
Yeah, but I thought, well, no, I hit them, but I thought you said you were going to sandblast them.
Well, we were gonna throw them away and get another set, but we decided to use this set because you wanted me to work harder.
I don't know about that. Don't waste your time on that, Tatro.
How do you think I work on these things?
Just beat the guide out.
Well, you got a flat surfaces to work off of.
Beat the brakes off of it.
It depends on what machine we're gonna do this on. If we're gonna do the cheap way, we're gonna probably use a brow grinder, but that might take longer to do than the cheap, more expensive way. We will have to do some work here.
Work.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go blast these and make some noise.
Back.
Be back. All right. My job. Okay, measure that valve, and then measure those other valves. You gotta measure that. You had to read that thing?
No. No idea.
Just look at the big number on top.
Ah.
What is it?
10.5. Under 10, like 9 3/4.
Okay, now once you measure it where it wears.
Right here. The base?
Maximum wear there, next most is there, in the middle is where it doesn't wear.
Okay. Little, like 9 1/4.
9 1/4?
Yeah.
4 is a good one.
10 1/4.
So what's the difference?
10 1/3. Almost a thou.
Okay. That's how much your valve is worn. From a used valve to a used valve.
9 1/4.
You keep measuring the good spot too, but yeah.
You said the most wear.
Yeah, down at the bottom.
9.
Oh, getting worse. Not better.
Nine and a half.
Mm.
9, just under 10.
Mm-hmm. So, you got 4 valves that are worn, 1 good one. And then the other part that's really bad. See the stem?
Mm-hmm.
Feel the stem?
Yeah, felt that.
See how smooth?
Yeah. Ooh.
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 What do you mean, ooh?
Ooh.
Ooh. What's wrong with that one?
Not smooth.
Not so smooth.
Yeah.
It looks like your bad piston, your bad motor, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See all the metal in there? It's bubbled up and
Yeah.
sharp edged and sticking up.
Yeah, well, we fully expect to replace the exhaust valves anyways. So.
Yeah, well, they're all worn out, so
Yeah.
where's the good one? The good one is the one that does not have the wear on the top.
I bet you.
See, these all have the wear on the top.
What happened to the other intake from the good one? What was wrong with that one?
That's all the valves I got, it's right there.
No, there's one more. What happened to the other one?
What other one?
We should have 4 intake valves.
Well, if you had all the parts, you would, but we don't have that many. We have 3.
Yeah, this one's like 10 1/3.
Yeah, that one's normal. It's worn a little bit. That one's usable. Those are junk. So everything about these heads needs to be redone.
This one's,
All the guides are bad. All the valves are bad. Springs are bad.
this one's under 10.
Collars are broken on one of them. This whole motor is junk. Those whole heads are worn out wherever they went to. The ones we just got done cleaning. Oh, they're over there now. Let me see your heads. They look cleaner now, though. Yeah. Now they're clean. I can see the crack on the guide now. Oh, there's that crack. It's not on the top, though. It's on the bottom.
Well, the other way we were showing it.
Oh, okay. Okay, are you going to go with that?
Now it's on the top.
Now it's on the top. Okay, I can see it's right there.
On the top.
Right, it's on the top now that way.
Yeah.
Not the top. Not like this one on top.
No, now it'd be on bottom.
Okay, that'd be the bottom now. Okay. That explains why it's broken on top.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. I can tell that. I can see that now, plainly. I can plainly see the all the valve guides are loose too. So these need everything done to them. So we either continue down that road, you find another set of heads to use that we don't have to do so much work on. Because right now we got $1,000 for the work there. It needs to be done.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see what we're going to do on this one, but we found out. But I do have tools now to fix them if we need to. We'll see. All right, we'll do that.